Hey YouTubers, this is Holland here with my son Joey, and today we are making a crockpot dish. Simple recipe. It's carnitas with a beef shoulder roast. I have it sitting here in my crockpot next to me already. The roast is about 1.89 pounds, so a little bit under 2 pounds. It's a simple enough recipe. All you need is the meat of choice. You got diced green chilies. Got this from my local HEB grocery store. About 4 ounces. I got half a red onion here. And then my seasonings: garlic salt, chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, Lawrys, and smoked paprika. I actually ordered my smoked paprika online from Amazon because for some reason it's really expensive in the grocery store. And also, don't mind my hair. I'm actually doing a deep condition right now. I am a stay-at-home mom with 3 kids, so I like to multitask when I can. So that's why I have this on here. So first I'm going to go ahead and season the meat. I don't have any particular measurements. And with the crock pot, you do want to keep in mind that things, the taste, the flavor, it gets watered down because the crock pot uses a moisture heat. So you'll want to kind of over season. Or if you're afraid of doing that, you can season, cook it, do a taste test, and if you don't feel like it's enough seasoning, then season again. So I'm going to add my chili powder here. The cayenne pepper. And I like to go a little more cayenne pepper. I like the heat. The garlic salt. The smoked paprika. I like to put a lot of that in there too. I like the heat. I feel like the smoked paprika is like the secret seasoning. It's so good. Cumin. Cumin gives it that Spanish flavor I like. You usually see a lot of cumin in like taco seasonings. And by the way, so I'll be using the carnitas with tortillas, and I also like to put over rice. And I'm going to put the Lawrys on. Nice amount. And if you like, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump the diced green chilies. This is the only moisture that I'm gonna be using with this dish. If you use an Instant Pot, then you also want to maybe add a cup, half a cup to a cup of beef broth or chicken broth or water. She needs that extra moisture. Okay. I'm gonna chop up this red onion. All right, Joy, can I put you down for a minute? Okay, chop up this onion. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as the flavor gets in there. I'm just gonna chop the turkey. And that's literally it. I have it on high heat for 6 hours. You could do low heat for 8 hours. And I'll show you what it looks like one more time with all the ingredients in there. Okay, and then I'll come back in about 6 hours to show you what the final product looks like.
Maybe they didn't talk to us because we interviewed them in their office. My career here.
Okay, the meat is ready, so you take it out and you can start shredding it with 2 forks.
Me, and I'm really proud of myself that I didn't let him get away with that. So even though it sucks, if I had to do it all again, I would.
You see how tender it is?
Why'd she say that to me?
And then after I'm finished shredding it, I'll mix it with the rest of the juices. And then you can add it to a tortilla, some avocado, and some cheese. Or you can add it to some rice. Or you can even do lettuce wraps with it. But that's it. So I'm going to add the juices from the pot and mix it with the meat. And it's done. Let's give it a taste.
Why lens crafters? Personalized service.
Yummy. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.